Welcome back to the class, students. Today we are going to discuss on the first chapter of civics, that is diversity. Now what is diversity? Diversity means difference. Okay, so in this chapter mainly we are going to focus on the diversity in religion, diversity in languages, diversity in economic and festivals in India. Okay. So we all know that India is a large country and different kind of people live here with different languages, customs, food habits and cultures. And also there are many different religions like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism and Christianity. So despite of having all the differences in religion, language, dress code, food habit, we all are one, and that is our strength. So let us first discuss on diversity in religion. India is a country with many religious diversity. So as I said, India is not a country with only a single religion, but there are many religions. Okay, and it is the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism and Jainism, and other religions like Christianity, Islam and Zoroastrianism came from other country. So now let us see about the religion Hinduism. Now the three central figures of Hindus are Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Okay, and where do the Hindu pray? The Hindus pray in the temple, or they offer or perform pujas in the temple, and Bhagavad Gita is their holy book. Next, let us see about Muslims. Now Muslims are the largest religious minority in India. Okay, and their place of prayer is mosque, and their holy book is Quran, and in a day daily they offer namaz or prayer 5 times, either in mosque or any place wherever they are. And next is Sikhism. So it is another major religion in India, and it was founded by whom? The Sikhism was founded by Guru Nanak. Okay, and their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib, and their place of prayer is Gurudwara. Now how did the religion of Zoroastrianism came? So the many Persians, when they migrated to India, they brought along with them the religion of Zoroastrianism. Okay, and what do they worship? They worship fire as a symbol of Ahura Mazda, which means the wise lord. Next, how the Christianity came to India? It is believed that it came to India by the Apostle Saint Thomas, and Christian mainly pray to Jesus Christ and Mother Mary in a church, and their holy book is the Holy Bible. So we saw in detail the different religions present in India. Okay, and no matter to whichever religion we belong to, we are the children of same God. Through different religions we pray to same God. Okay, and we all have freedom to accept any religion we wish. Next, let us see or discuss on diversity in languages. So India is a country which has got about 150 different languages spoken by the people, and about 30 different scripts are there, and among them only 22 are official languages. And those languages are Hindi, Sanskrit, Punjabi, Sindhi, Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali, Assamese, Urdu, Oriya, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Nepali, Kashmiri, Manipuri, Konkani, Santhali, Maithili, Bodo and Dogri. So these are all 22 official languages of India. Okay.